Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to show you a project that a homeowner could do themselves. The problem here is that water comes down from the slopes and stays in the yard and just saturates this area. So we are going to install a gravel perforated pipe, sometimes known as a French drain. And the parts you're seeing are store-bought. This is a 6x6 catch basin. And here is some perforated pipe. Most important thing about perforated pipe is that holes point down, and you snap it into place. Just make sure that the blue line is to the top, and you can actually just go to the store and buy bags of gravel. We're putting gravel into our trench, but we're actually using 20 bags. Make sure that you use a lot of gravel. This is a fairly simple project for the homeowner. You just need some shovels, gravel, and some fabric, and you can install a French drain. Again, this is a really simple project for the homeowner. Just remember that holes point down into your gravel. That's the most important thing. You can wrap this with fabric. You can use the catch basin, which we do recommend to pick up the surface water, but the underground water is collected by this French drain.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.